Hey everyone, today we're diving into a true kitchen game changer, the Instant Pot Duo Plus, making meal prep easier and faster than ever. This incredible appliance isn't just a pressure cooker, it's a 9-in-1 multi-cooker designed to simplify your life and elevate your culinary skills. Imagine replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, yogurt maker, and more with just one sleek device right on your countertop. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can perfectly cook anything from delicious stews to delicate desserts, taking the guesswork out of every recipe. And cleanup is a breeze thanks to its durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot, ensuring healthy and safe cooking for your family. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its incredible versatility, empowering you to create gourmet meals with minimal effort and maximum flavor. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or find the best multi-cooker for quick, healthy meals, you can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus via the Amazon link in the description below. It's a fantastic investment for anyone wanting convenience, safety features, and consistently delicious results in their daily cooking routine. Forget juggling multiple appliances. This powerhouse is all you need to tackle any recipe with confidence and joy. For an efficient, versatile, and essential kitchen tool in 2025, I wholeheartedly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus, your future favorite appliance.